What's up, everybody? It's freezing outside, and well, like my brother said in the comment of yesterday's video, I should do puzzles every Wednesday. So, well, it's Puzzle Wednesday. Let's get into this puzzle. The puzzle we have today is this little box puzzle here. I'm going to do a cool little cinematic thing of that puzzle right now. So that puzzle is something I got off of Amazon. I'll have the link down below, so you can go check that out if you'd like. Like in the other one, I said I was gonna have the levels. Don't have the levels, so we're gonna test out these ones right here. This one right here. Let's get into this puzzle and check it out, and we'll try to solve this as fast as we can for this amazing Puzzle Wednesday. So we got this sweet little puzzle here, so what we're going to do is we're going to solve it. Alright, let's figure this out. So, right off the bat, it looks like this little piece here moves a little bit. Can't tell really. It really slides over though, so we're going to try that. Okay. Oh no. Oh, that is moving. So what I'm thinking is that, it's a sequence where these have to move in certain orders or something, or have to turn maybe to be able to get them to push out. I'm not sure. That's what it's seeming like, to maybe be able to unlock this thing. I don't even know. This one's very loose though, it goes in and out very easily. Maybe this one needs to go this way. No. Trying to see on the inside. Oh, hold on. Need to start a timer. Stopwatch. Okay. So we got this. This one kind of moves. Oh, kind of move. This is the only one that really moves a lot. I'm thinking it has to do with something of one of these smaller ones. Maybe it'll move a certain way, and then I can unlock this one. But this moves all the pieces, this lid. So it's like it's connected to the lid somehow. I don't even know. I'm trying to rotate, and it doesn't turn very far, so I don't even know. I can't begin to tell you how frustrated I already am with this thing. Maybe if I go this way, make it easier to move things around. Well, it does slide a lot easier here. Oh my gosh, I don't even know. There's nothing else. It's all to do with this right here. These little wooden dowels. this one moves both of those, like little brown ones there. So like this back one here is moving both of these, but I can't tell if it's actually doing anything, if that really means anything. Like, I know they're probably like this somehow, like they're crossing each other, but I can't figure out, you know. If I gotta hold it upside down and solve this thing, or like constantly have pressure on the top, so I can figure out if it's actually moving anything or not. Maybe if I get this one piece needs to come out first, like completely. No idea. Oops. Yeah. And like the lid moves the pieces, and I can't push this back over, not even when rotating. So it's like a step in the right direction, maybe. Huh. Craig.
Called it.
I had to push this one the opposite way. I couldn't get it to push though. They're like sticky. Ooh, okay, there's one. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, now it's gotta be like self-explanatory, right? Like one of these are just gonna easily come out. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. And the lid opens up. High fives. Hell yeah. Yes! Stop that. Almost 30 minutes. Dope. Now I gotta put it back together. That is so cool. Wow, that is intricate. It's just a bunch of holes everywhere, and they're like, these were more difficult than what I thought. It looks like they were a little bit, maybe I was tearing them apart a little bit, I don't know. But those are really cool. It's a bamboo puzzle. It's pretty tough, pretty cool. Those are little Lincoln log pieces like that. Those are Lincoln log pieces. These ones have the little holes. You had to like slide them just the right way. They had to like slide out and then they could go through. That's just crazy. And those things are super tight. They're suckered in there. Okay, so like you have the one piece that's like this. You have the one piece that's like this. Now the other one's the exact same way. When you line them up, hold a hole, obviously they slide through real easily. But when you slide them over, that's how they're locked in, because they both have these little things here. That's just crazy. Okay. Alright. Let's put it back together. Sure. Let's go. Stick that in there, I guess. I don't even know how to do this. I don't know. Let's go this way. Slides freely, and this one's not as easy. I think the toughest part was that stop that. So roughly like 32 minutes about. But I think the toughest part about this puzzle was that they were kind of sticky. So, I mean, otherwise, like, look at how easy that drops through. It's done. It's fixed. It's over. We did it. We put it back together. We solved it. We did this in like 30 some minutes. That's not terrible, especially because I was tricked that it was sticky, but let's go back to my view. Say hi, Craig. Hey, man. So that's the end of, you know, this little freakish puzzle thing. It was harder than I thought because it got stuck, but otherwise it's like a fairly simple slide motion. Pretty easy. So we're gonna close out the video now. Just make sure you know, hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment down below. These daily videos. Alright, bye.